Hi North Haven, this video is going to show you how you can use the V4K camera two different ways in Google Meet. So the first way, which I kind of covered in the initial basics video, is that you can just set it as your main camera and you can have it look at the docs. So right now you're seeing from my student's view that they can see the document. Now you can also then move the camera and then bring it up so that you can use it as a webcam, and you could move them back and forth that way. That's not very fluid, but it is one way that you can do it. The nice thing about these cameras is that you can use them for both ways. And then you would just bring it back like this. And now I have to just flip my camera over, and then the students would be able to see your document again. You could also just leave it on the doc cam if, for instance, you were using this to take a video and you just wanted to have a picture of a book while you were reading or something like that. One of the benefits to doing it this way is that you can teach your students to mouse over the image and click pin to screen. And now that document is going to take up their whole screen, and you don't have to worry about whether or not you're presenting and stopping presenting and presenting again as you show things and as you stop showing things. You can also have your students unpin if you want to have a class collaboration and have people talking to each other. Another option is if you come to your Meet, and now we're in my Meet, I can click these three dots, click settings, come to video, and change back to my laptop webcam. And it'll give you a little preview over here. And so now you can see that on my students page, they can see me talking, and I can come up and open a new tab if I want to use my doc cam and present it. I can click the apps button over here to the left in Chrome, and then I can click the IPvo visualizer. And if you don't have that downloaded yet, the fourth video in this playlist will show you how to download it and how to use the tools. Now I have that open. See that it's just looking at my image on my doc cam. I can present now, choose a window, choose my IPvo visualizer. Now it will appear gray until you switch over to your IPvo camera, and then once that is the main window on your screen, the students will be able to see it, and then you can present to your students this way. Another option, if you don't want to use that version, is that you can come here and use your Windows version as well. And so I can come to present now, present a window, and I can choose my Windows version of IPvo visualizer. And now you see that my students can see it. And when I come back to Meet, they can still see it. So now I can be writing notes and using my doc camera, and they'll be able to see that and see me as well. So those are two different versions of the visualizer that you can use. And they both work, even though the Windows version is has more tools and also works maybe a little bit better because you don't have to have it taking up your screen in order for it to work. But those are also two different ways that you can use your doc cam, either as a doc cam and a webcam, or just as a doc cam while you're teaching.